Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a cinnamon cake. This cake is perfect for tea time with a hot cup of coffee or milk. Making this cake is so simple as well as it is really flavorful. I'm sure you're going to love it. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 egg, half plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter and half a cup of milk. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, take the flour, baking powder, salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the egg and the half cup of sugar. Mix them well for about a minute till they are well combined. Add in the melted butter and the milk and mix them well. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them well. Pour the batter into a 6-inch round baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle the remaining cinnamon powder and the powdered sugar over the cake. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool in the tin itself for about 10 minutes and then demold it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and I'll see you in my next video.